Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are doing good. The chapter that we have started is unit number 10, the solar system. The topic that we will read today is from your book, page number 73. Here is a picture from your book page number 73. Here is a diagram. You have to draw this diagram on your interleaf page with the question that we will do today. The topic is tilting earth. As you know that some parts of the earth are positioned closer to the sun at certain times of the year, and the other parts and further away from the sun at other times of the year. This is how we get the seasons. And how many seasons we have? We have summer, winter, autumn, and spring. Here's a video related to seasons. Check this out.
Why spring always follows winter? Summer comes after spring? And autumn after summer? To understand why this happens, you need to know how our planet Earth moves in space. We already know that the Earth is the shape of a sphere. It rotates around its axis. The axis is an imaginary line that goes through the North and South poles. The Earth is also surrounded by another imaginary line, the equator. The equator divides the Earth into the northern and southern hemispheres. Not only does the Earth rotate around its own axis, it also revolves around the Sun. The path in which the Earth revolves around the Sun is called the orbit. Therefore, the Earth moves around the Sun like this. Throughout the year, the Earth is exposed to the Sun on either its northern hemisphere or its southern hemisphere. When the northern hemisphere points toward the Sun, it experiences summer, while the southern hemisphere experiences winter. And vice versa, when the northern hemisphere points away from the Sun, the southern hemisphere gets more sunlight, creating summer there and winter in the northern hemisphere. So what are spring and autumn then? Spring is a transition from winter to summer, and autumn is a similar transition from summer to winter. Now it's winter in the northern hemisphere, but the Earth continues its journey along its orbit, and winter is changed to spring. Then comes summer. And summer is followed by autumn. After autumn comes winter, and everything starts all over again. The same thing happens in the southern hemisphere. Although when it is wintertime in the northern hemisphere, it is summertime in the southern hemisphere. Now we know why we have 4 seasons on Earth.
I hope you all have enjoyed the video and learned how do we get the seasons. Okay, here is a question from your book, page number 75. Question number 2, how are the seasons called? Explain with the diagram. The answer is mentioned here. As the Earth tilts on the axis, some parts of the Earth are positioned closer to the Sun at certain times of the year than other parts, and further away from the Sun at other times of the year. This is how we get the seasons. You will write this answer on your notebook, and with this answer you will draw the diagram. The diagram is also mentioned here. Do label the diagram. It's very important. Thank you.